package for musicians. I'm going to check for punctures and holes. It looks like it's no holes, no rebarb, no all thread shoving through it. Looks like it's been tossed around though. I bet you they got a lot of paper in here. So anything like that amplifier. Hopefully there's a lot of paper in here. There you go. Oh my goodness. Hope I don't cut my hand off. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there's the packing invoice. Should I be looking at that or not? I'll take a quick look at it. This is return shipping label. Oh, I hope I don't have to use that. Okay, I have to pull it off here. Get it filling it. I'm not. This looks like it's never been opened. I don't know. That must be a case. Oh, it's in the case. Oh, that's a pretty good idea. And they stuck it in the case to keep it from. And this is all. What is it? What shall I open first? Oh God, there's the stand. What do you think it looks like? This is for the bow, I guess. Which I don't have it yet. It's being made. Carbon fiber bow. Tina special. Look at that. Wow, look at the arc on that thing. That is so different than the bass. Wow, I mean the bass guitar. Woo-wee. That's got some arc on it. Oh. Make sure there's no dents in it. This looks like the pegs they use for DB504. Got those type of pegs. Oh, goodness. Holy cows, look at the arc of that. Now that's what I call a bass. That's what bass guitars should have, an arc like that. Just needs to be tuned really bad. There's the truss rod. Oh wow, it's huge. Look at it. Can you see that down there? It's just, these were frets. I think 24 frets. This would be almost like 29, 30 frets if they had frets. I gotta find a place to let's put the stand up at. That's metal there.
What's the jack for?
That's for your guitar.
Oh. What are the other things for?
This thing is for the stand or a strap.
What about the knobs?
The knobs there's two different pickups on here. There's one here and one back here, I guess. The positioning of those is piezoelectric. I guess it picks up differently than the normal guitar. Definitely heavy. Maybe in Paradise Hills. Okay. Oh my God. In this bag, keep it from beating the crap out of. Did you use that for a camera stand?
Does it have a fluid head?
They said you can get a strap for if you want to play it like a guitar, but I don't think so. I don't think you're going to be able to. That's a thick neck. How do they lock it? I don't see a snare. I got some star that way. I just triple like turn this off. Yeah, that's something to have there so you kill yourself. Well, that's really vibrating. That's what I call ultra low frequency. Those are lower than bass string. I'll have to get my other one out. This will be more or less pulling it from the case. Bow thing. Okay. This is an Artino bow. 3/4. Yeah, this one is carbon fiber. So we're gonna punch that one. We're gonna tighten it up. Okay, it's tight. Get that there, get the rosin. This is high temperature rosin. Okay. So rosining the boat. It's got a lot on it. I don't want to melt it on it. Okay, we're rosining up this graphite bow. Whoop. That's on hit Arco. That's an Arco. It's okay. Let's try it on Arco. Okay. Well, definitely sounds like a bass viol. It's gonna take a lot of practice. It's been like 30 years since I played a viol. How much your bass guitar? This is this NS bass here. Seems to work great with a Fender Rebel bass guitar amp. It's incredibly, works really well. It's got the gain on it, so it just brings it right up. So, I use it for the electric bass, but I use it for the upright. I paid about $400 for it, so that's why I want to modify it, because I didn't buy it vintage. I bought it as a regular bass. And all the parts that I take out, I'm going to have them to put back in. I'm keeping all the parts, all the original parts to be there. I'm just going to re-modify the inside. Taping it, what do you call it? Taping it, so release tape so that you can take the copper out to make it original, to make it sound like it was, which is, I don't like it. Compared to this space here, the pickups are totally clean. Piezoelectric, not magnetic. This one's fantastic. This is for Davey 504. They're awesome. I'm learning how to slap the bass. I like slapping the bass. I'm learning it.